Hello again, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Matt's Train Stop YouTube channel. And in front of me we have what has turned out to be a bit of a familiar face. So, does anybody remember from 10-11 months ago, so just shy of a year ago now, that massive train set I managed to get my hands on? Well, here is the N Gauge version. So yeah, that's the back of it. I'll just see if I can, there we are. I don't know if you can read it because I've got my camera facing the other way. So long story short, I'm having to do the camera facing towards me on my phone because it's broken on the other side, as I found out in the last video on the channel. So anyway, what do we have on our hands here? We have the Midland Pullman set. Once again, this time it is just the grey and Farish one in the in N Gauge rather than the 00 scale one from 10-11 months ago. Product code 370. You see there, 370425, and it is the special collector's edition. And I have not got this out of the box yet, and it is brand new, this particular set. So you and I, we're going to have a look together at this set. And again, you're probably wondering, Matthew, why are you behind your table instead of in front of it? Again, camera issues from the last video has forced me to do a video like this. So start that with the protective sleeve. We have some Scenecraft figures there, grey and Farish figures. We've got 1, 2, 3, you've got 6 there. So it's saying Midland Pullman stewards and train crew. Let's get the, oh, they're sealed as well in this one. So that's the first car. I just won't slide it out because this set is brand new. I'm just wondering, obviously in the 00 gauge set you had a controller, you had dynamic software and stuff like that, and it was I think about a nearly £900 train set resale, so it was absolutely ridiculous. Anyway, the resale on this is probably just shy of about 400 quid. But yeah, that's coach number 2. As you can see, I'm not going to get them out of the box because it's brand new, and I just want to keep. I don't want to get my fingers on things. I don't mind getting my fingers on the boxes and whatnot. I just don't want to get my fingers on the coaches and anything else, simply because it is for resale and I don't want my yummy little fingers all over. So that's the third coach. Right, I'm going to put them all back in order. That's a good idea, Matthew. Put them all back in order. I think, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to have to buy a new phone because on the previous video there was a bit of shaking on the stock showcase one, and it wasn't a good look, so I do apologise for that. You know, proper Yorkshireman. Unfortunately, I do not spend money on myself. Right, the bottom. So this is what's at the bottom. Also, I do apologise if there's any sounds in the background. I've got the windows open. We've got there's workers outside and stuff like that. So it is what it is. It's a warm day and I'm trying to get a video out. Right, so that's a good start. Limited edition certificate. There we are. We've got a limited edition certificate, 613. I don't know how many were made. I have no idea how many were made, but that's, you've got set number 613 here. We've also got a book. Oh, we've got a book. We've got a book. We've got the main product and maintenance care. We've got that going on. And we seem to have a book of some sort. I'm not going to open it because I don't want to get the creases all sorted, but that is a Midland Pullman book which comes with this grey and Farish train set. and that's it on the back. It's full of details of the actual Midland Pullman itself. What's this? Menu. Is this a menu? It is as well. Wow. So this wasn't in the double O gauge set. So there you are. You got a whole menu. Have a read through that. Have a pause, a read through, and have a look at that. It's a whole menu. That wasn't in the double O gauge set. Neither was that booklet either. So I wonder if they're compensating for not having a controller in this one. That's all I'm wondering about. And anyway, you've got your bottom three coaches there. That's number 1. Number 2, again, I'm not going to get my grubby hands on them because, like I said, it is for resale. So that's it, number 2. And number 3. There we are. I do apologise for the light, by the way. I've got a ring light behind me. And hey, if you think it's bothering you, trust me, I'm looking directly at the thing. So the quicker I can get away from this light, the better. And I'm just wondering, if I pull this out, is there anything underneath? There is something underneath. Is it anything? Oh, hang on. Oh, oh. Right then. That is right. Okay. There we are. That's underneath. That's at the bottom. So there we are, ladies and gentlemen. Turns out the N gauge set is different to the double O gauge set. Don't know why. I guess with the double O set you get your controller, don't you? But with this you don't. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. It was just a quick one today. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.